Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot and a chain stitch in a crochet. This is a beginner tutorial. It's very simple. Slip knot, you wind your yarn twice around your finger, take the back yarn, put it over the front loop, again that back one over the front, and slip your finger up so it makes a loop, and you can loop your hook and just pull it tight. So that's a slip knot. For a chain, you're going to yarn over, pull through. That's the first chain. Yarn over, pull through. Second chain. Yarn over, third chain. So you can keep on practicing that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for my second video on how to make a single crochet.